All right, welcome everyone. Another day, another building on another day, another build, another video today. Let's see here. Where am I? Right off the bat, we get to do some assembly onto the superstructure. Let's see, how's it oriented? Like so. This guy, just jump right in and step 23. You in. Still good clearance on that. I'm not sure which way it's going to end up going. And then this one, I think. Oh, it's the inner one. Okay. This is the smaller one's the one that actually drives that gear. So we got all the way over. Let it drop in there. Maybe what's hanging up here? Feels like it's on this side. Okay, maybe it's on this side. That one, yeah, okay. I'm still getting. Oh. That's the problem. I had a piece of this was still stuck in there. Okay. I bet it'll work now. I said it would. I said I bet it would. There. Okay, there it went. Now, if everything's been done correctly, I should be able to move these steps with this lever. And I can. It's always satisfying when the machinations work. Which I don't know if it's supposed to be that way or that way. They are. I always find that camshaft action very satisfying down there. Simple but complicated. I like it. Yeah. Alright, so. And that, I believe, was all of step 23. Yep. Now, step 24. Oh, I've got to put this away now. I guess there's more assembling the ramps and chutes and whatnot. I can get down to where I'm at. Okay. Well, I just dropped something. Oh, I picked up something more than I meant to. Yeah. Alright. Since that only took 3 minutes, I've just made the executive decision to do 4 steps today. So 23, 24, 25, and 26 are going to get done today because 4, 5, and 6 are all really short. And I'll probably do 4 steps next time too. Just looking at them. Okay, see. A11. There you. And that's 24. A12 is 25. And A13 is 26. So let's keep all these semi-separated. Then I need B 16 for 20. No, yeah, for 26. Where's 16? Okay, B 16 here for that one. Put these back. Get them to stay together. E4 and 5. 4 and 5. And 14 and 15. and 13. Okay. Mm. 13. Alright. Back in this hole. And G5 times 4. Which one is 5? That's this one. Times 4. You guys all go there. G5 times 3 on this one. Oops. Oh, there's 3 of them. Oh, stay. And another G5 times 3. So. I wonder if I can actually manage to break only one of those out. Ah, I did. Okay, over there. Alright, and that's so curvy, so let's go try the emery board this time. I don't know if I guess it's not an emery board because those are the wooden ones, but whatever this cuticle trimmer thingamajigger do-wah-diddy is. Oh. These two. My cat is over here standing guard. I'm not sure what she's guarding me from, but the door is being patrolled very seriously now. Woe unto anybody who tries to get past her. Well, she's liable to run away from him more than anything, but she looks like she's being serious this morning. Alright, so these. Oh, let me make sure I got this facing right according to the directions. That's up. Okay. Pop them up from the bottom. Come back here. It's weird. I've done this enough to know that these are going to line up perfectly because they always do. But I still get nervous every time I do it. So this seems like this shouldn't work this well. But they always get. I'm just bragging on them. It didn't line up perfectly that time. Okay, try that again. There. And you, like this. Easy enough. It's going to be a reasonably length video too. Get on in there. Get on in there. One more. No. And I have also found this the easiest way to get these in there flush. Just use a spare piece or an old, in this case, the tool. I did use this one on that handle over there. That's right. Now you, like so. And then this one. That's how you keep it up. That's right. Now you gotta put the tool behind it again when you're putting the pegs into the piece. Right. Okay, and this guy should be easier you would think. Right. Yeah, these are going together nice enough. And I'm considering, let me look at I'm going to take a quick peek. Is there just 2 for that one? I thought I got 3 out. Okay, I guess I didn't, but I should have. Oh, well, they always give spares on these anyway, so it's alright. If I did or didn't. Alright, well. Now you. Which way are we going? Like that. Yeah. See if I can do it just on the table here, maybe. All right. This guy goes in not like so, like so. 13 minutes. That's still fairly quick. Let's take a look at the next couple of steps, see what we got. Oh, what's it? Oh, 7. 1, 2, 3, 6. There's a bunch of pieces on the next couple. Well, not a bunch, but there's 6 or 8 pieces on each one. I may just do 3 and 3 the next couple of days, but I think I'm going to stop there today. But that's made a lot of progress. Got our engine installed. I'm happy about that, and it is going very smoothly. So I'm really feeling good about that whole putting wax on, using the melted wax. The wax melter doodad. So, that being said, folks, as always, thanks for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you. I'm creeping closer and closer to that 600 mark, and I'm just tickled to death about that. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share, do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.